Quantum computing and artificial intelligence aren't just reshaping the digital realm. They promise to revolutionize medicine, offering us unprecedented insights into our own biology.
And now let's talk about cancer. Let's say a few things about cancer now. By the time you have a tumor, you have over 1 billion cancer cells growing in your body. In the future, we will do it with a blood test. Already, for the first time in world history, a blood test that detects 50 different types of cancers. Up to today, there was no way to tell whether you had cancer or not until you found a tumor or some obvious symptoms. And by then, sometimes it was too late. Now we have a blood test, a simple blood test that can pick up 50 different kinds of cancers. In the future, this will be hooked up to a quantum computer to detect hundreds, maybe thousands of different types of cancers growing in your body. This could be the cure for cancer.
As we're on the edge of big tech changes, imagine a world where illnesses are predicted and neutralized even before they manifest, where the wear and tear of aging is but a minor inconvenience that technology can swiftly address. With such powerful tech, we need to think carefully. Our stories have always warned us about going too far. Are we chasing this future for the right reasons? While living longer seems amazing, it comes with concerns, like, how will society change? Can we support everyone? And might we lose touch with what makes life special? And then there's a thought even more profound, transcending mere extension of life.
Let's talk about Alzheimer's disease. And look at Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is incurable. And it means that people in their 80s, about 50% of them have dementia. Why? Because of this. That's the protein that gums up the brain. Now we realize, using MRI and other chemical techniques, we now realize that this thing gums up the brain, causing Alzheimer's, but there are two types of this protein. One bends to the right, one bends to the left. It turns out the one that bends to the right kills you. That's why we have problems with Alzheimer's disease. But the one that bends to the left does not. You can have gum all over your brain, amyloid proteins in your brain, and be clear-minded. Why is that? It means there's not a one-to-one correspondence between the protein and Alzheimer's disease. Why? Because only one variety causes it. With quantum computers, in the future, we may be able to separate the left and the right, curing Alzheimer's disease, the disease of the century. And what else can we do with this thing? We can also use it to give unlimited power with fusion. Of course, we now have been able to sequence the DNA of plants, animals, and what can we do with it? Well, not much. First of all, this is how we make the new next wonder drug. Thousands of petri dishes shown here. You put the germ in each one, and then you put a chemical in each petri dish. Hundreds, thousands of them. And then what do? You cross your fingers. You cross your fingers and hope and pray that one of them works and kills a germ. Now, think about it. You just take all sorts of chemicals, and then you apply them to germs, and cross your fingers and hope that one of them kills the germs. This is how we make wonder drugs. That's why they cost $1 billion. It costs about $1 billion to market one wonder drug. In the future, we'll do it in the memory of a quantum computer. The memory of a quantum computer will now do chemistry. That's the power of quantum computers. Now, some people say, will this put chemists out of work? Well, chemists who do not use quantum computers will be out of a job. Chemists who do use quantum computers will thrive. That is the future of quantum computers, to be used as a tool for chemists, biologists.
As our reality becomes increasingly digital, as memories, experiences, and emotions become data, the line between the organic and the digital starts to disappear. Our very consciousness could one day be encoded, preserved, transcending the physical.
Thanks for watching. And to make sure you don't miss out on anything by subscribing.